Someone very recently asked me a question. We Indians, and I think most of the people all around the world, have faith in God. We take His name. Then why is He not saving us? Why people are in pain? Why this pandemic? Why there is so much of misery? And here comes the point which I asked him. What do you mean by taking the name of God, which in India we call Naam Simran? We are often mistaken that chanting His name, such as Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Shri Ram, Vaheguru, Allah, Jesus, any other mantra or any other guru's name, whatever is given to you by your spiritual guru or as per your religious practices, is remembering God. Actually, it is not. Just chanting the name is not exactly Bhakti Yoga or remembering God. Now we have to understand why. Let me tell you that calling His name is just a process to bring your awareness in the present moment and a reminder to express our gratitude to Him. Now, gratitude for what? Gratitude for each breath that we are taking, as it is given by Him. Gratitude for our body, mind, and spirit, as these are gifts given by Him. Gratitude for each and every action that we are taking, such as breathing, drinking, eating, moving our hands, feet, mouth, eyes, and even thinking. Yes, even thoughts, as there are millions and trillions of actions happening in a second in our body, mind, and the universe, which is directly or indirectly contributing to the present action. Yes, whatever action right now you are taking, even thinking, for that there are trillions of actions happening in your body and all around you. And we cannot say thanks trillions time in just one breath. So that's why we take His name in a very smaller version. So to express our gratitude, we concise the trillion times thanks in just one word or two words, and we express our gratitude. Now tell me, how many of us actually express our deep gratitude while taking His name? We just recite or murmur. True meaning of remembering Him lies in gratitude and devoting all our actions to Him. And when you do it, exactly that is taking His name. And when you do it, there is no difference between Him and you. And at that time, whatever you want happens. Because at that time, whatever He wants for you, you also want for yourself and for the world.